Social activist R.K. Sanayaima stated that even though territorial boundary has been given by a political solution, it is not sure that the ongoing conflict will end. He emphasized that only love among people on humanity grounds could bring an end to the conflict, which would be a good step for coexistence under the idea of Manipur. Speaking at a press briefing at a Singjamay Territorial residence following a tour to Delhi and Bangalore, Sanayaima highlighted the vital role of non-resident Manipuris in resolving the crisis. He shared heartwarming observations of Meitei and Kuki community members living peacefully under the same roof and working together in major cities. He pointed out the contrasting situation in Manipur, where he believes the timeline for effective territorial adjustments or simple political dialogues has already passed. Critiquing the central government, he highlighted Government of India's failure to take timely action when violence erupted on May 3, 2023. He said that this inaction has resulted in a gridlock where authorities might now try to enforce peace by merely conceding to the competing demands of conflicting factions. However, Sanayaima cautioned that the deep emotional wounds inflicted by the prolonged violence have severely dimmed the prospects of restoring the state's former unified social fabric, serving instead to deeply polarize the communities. Concluding his address, he asserted that lasting peace and stability can only be restored if the communities transcend political divides and revive the historical bond of mutual respect and compassion that they naturally shared by generations.
This Sahi Sidadi Bueno Tana, Kutan, Topian sister. Our Maya Tori, Masi Equi, Massi violence, metal, future, I could command him. He wisely, Massi Manipur, were Piram, geographical reality, seeing them in the report, centuries, or say, listening on him, the rain. I do Piram, do come a quina, a quay Apantana, he never actually option at the alternatives not there. Must be a necessity, historical necessity now.